Ideogram just announced Ideogram 1.0, its most advanced text-to-image model that boasts unprecedented photorealism, prompt adherence, and state-of-the-art text rendering. You can use it for free and can generate up to 100 images every day that are free for commercial use. Start by going to Ideogram.ai. You will have to sign up with a Google or Apple account. I'm going to use it online, but it can also be used in Discord. Let's take a look at the pricing plans. It's important to note that for the free plan, the images will be downloaded in a compressed JPG format, so I recommend to utilize an AI image enhancer to optimize their quality. Now let's compare these plans to Midjourney's offerings. Midjourney's basic plan is priced at $8 per month, allowing for the generation of approximately 200 images. On the other hand, Ideogram's basic plan comes in at $7 per month, offering a significantly higher allowance of 2,000 images monthly. Here is the Ideogram's landing page. You can explore what people are generating. Click on an image to see more information. Here is the prompt used. You can enter the prompt in any language and it will be translated to English. The magic prompt is the interpreted form of the original prompt that is optimized to maximize the variety and beauty of the images generated. The remix feature can be used to regenerate the image by changing the prompt and/or the settings. You can download any image and use it however you want. You can also like the image or follow the creator. Now let's start prompting. I'll enter a very stylish woman walking down the streets of New York City. On the left are settings for magic prompt, ratio, model, and visibility. You will need a paid account to keep your images private. I think these images look really good. Let's try another prompt. Next, I will do a cat wearing a steampunk outfit. Down here you can choose a preset style like cinematic or illustration. More than one style can be chosen. So, I'll choose a few styles and change the aspect ratio. I like all 4 of these. And here are more images I generated. I think one of the most impressive features is the advanced text rendering. Look at these images, the typography is great. You can create designs with text for t-shirts, mugs, posters, memes, logos, and much more. Now I'm going to generate an image that has text. Wow, these images are really good, except for the 2 that have misspellings. The results so far have been good, but I want to see how it compares to other text-to-image generators. Here is my personal feed in Leonardo AI. Let's test this prompt. The details in these images are very nice, and in my opinion, they are just as good as the Leonardo image. Now, let's take a prompt from an image I generated in Midjourney. I'll try this character sheet because I want to test if Ideogram can create consistent characters. This is good, but I would like to have more full body poses. Also, each image looks like it has its own background color, but that can easily be removed in an image editing software. Let's try another prompt. Now, I really like these, except the images have text or watermarks like these. We can easily remove them in Canva. The chicks are even holding a sign with the text, Happy Easter, unlike the Midjourney's images. Next, I'll try creating a book cover. Wow, these images are perfect for an Easter-themed book cover, and the titles look really nice. Next, I'll test how censored ideogram is. So I'll generate a Sonic the Hedgehog image. The prompt wasn't blocked, and these images look good. Let's try a public figure. First, I'll generate the images with the magic prompt turned off, and then with it turned on. I can clearly see how the magic prompt enhances the detail and quality of the images, creating a more polished and appealing result. I was also able to generate images that contain profanity. For right now, it seems like Ideogram is not very censored. Overall, I think this image generator is impressive and is definitely worth giving a try. I recommend taking advantage while there is still a free version because you never know how long that will last. Stay tuned for more tutorials on this great tool. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.